see it moving. No. There it is.
Oh, I actually turn on some lights.
What a healthy puppy. Okay, so we've got a tricolor puppy that she just had. This is the placenta. Usually we don't get to see it very clearly because the mom, you know, kind of dispatches of it pretty. There's some first squeaks. But yeah, there's the placenta. And she's gonna eat it. We let them eat the placenta. It's a natural thing. I don't see any reason to take it away from her. She's gonna need the strength from it. And then she's biting off the umbilical cord. Another thing we let our moms do. Honestly, they do a better job of clamping it than we can do. And there you have it. Pretty clean, healthy, strong puppy. This is like perfect scenario. Look at that puppy move.
I don't know. Yeah.
And then puppy naturally will move over to where and start looking for milk to start nursing. Another amazing thing to me that they just know where to go and figure that out pretty quickly. Good girl, Izzy. It's already rooting around.
If you want to learn more, look at this one. Demonetized video. Looks like it was
Yeah, it's a merle. I always worry about like their leg. What time is it? What a beauty. Where's it going, Izzy? Alright, second puppy is a girl. It's a beautiful tricolor merle. So we've got a tricolor boy and a tricolor merle female. Oh. so it's 6 a.m. It was a long night, kind of slow labor, but she has 10 puppies. We're not officially saying she's done yet because she could have another one. The last one she had was just a little bit ago, so we usually like to wait until there's been a 4-hour gap before calling it. But yeah, it was such a smooth labor. It went so well. She did such a good job. And clean. I mean, we didn't change out the pads at all. So we've got this wet area. We'll switch that out. But that's it. Yeah, good job, Izzy. So we're definitely going to be keeping a close eye on her today and the puppies, just to make sure that everyone's doing okay and just continues to grow and thrive. But really not worried. She's doing so great. She's an experienced mom. She's done this before, so yeah, she's doing great. Here are the notes we took during. So we just record the time and the colors and whether they're male or female. And then maybe later today we'll get their birth weights